This video is all about how there is a scam going around online for something called MemoPryl. MEMOPRYL. This is a bottle of supplements, supposedly with the ability to reverse memory loss, reverse Alzheimer's, reverse dementia, and Bill Gates has backed it. And you've got Savannah Guthrie and Samuel L. Jackson, and Chris Hemsworth, and Steve Martin, and Martin Short, and other celebrities, right? And it's all a scam. This is not something that's going to have miracle properties. This is something that is going to try to take your money. You will not get your money back. The money back guarantee won't work. You will probably be charged subscription charges of hundreds of dollars a month, and none of it's going to be good. This is all going to be bad. There's a video going around, you may have seen parts of it, with Bill Gates talking about a honey recipe. There is no honey recipe. The honey recipe promise is the classic scam medicinal product promise where they claim they're going to reveal a recipe to you about a common pantry ingredient, something in your kitchen, whatever. And they keep dangling that throughout an hour-long video on a website only to reveal to you at the end a bottle of pills. And that's what's going on here. Honey's not going to do anything for memory loss, dementia, or Alzheimer's, nor is any other thing in your pantry if you mix it up with some other stuff in your pantry. That's something that feels familiar, and scammers are trying to emotionally manipulate you into falling for that sort of a thing. And so I'm going to show you part of a Bill Gates video going around right now for this product, MemoPryl, a cognitive support formula. So if you're looking at MemoPryl reviews, MemoPryl scammer legit, does it really work? MemoPryl Bill Gates. I have the information you're looking for, and the information mainly is that you don't want to order this. Let's take a look at the Bill Gates video now.
Today we have Bill Gates, founder of Microsoft and co-chair of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, here to discuss this revolutionary memory restoration method that his foundation has been researching for years.
That is an AI generated video. All the people there, the honey mixture in the big glass jar beaker thing or whatever, that's all AI, completely.
Bill, can you explain how this ancient Himalayan blend is reversing decades of memory loss and eliminating brain fog in just 3 weeks?
So they showed you that big honeycomb thing, and they're talking about Himalayan honey or something because that sounds interesting. Ooh, they got the big honeycomb thing. Maybe they discovered some miracle properties, and they're just trying to, they being the scammers, manipulate you into buying MemoPryl supplements for memory loss, Alzheimer's, and dementia. This product will not cure anyone of those ailments, those conditions, those diseases. This is something where scammers are trying to emotionally manipulate people into falling for a scam so that they can earn a lot of money based upon lies. And it's really terrible. The scammers are going after people, family members, families, friends, whatever, of yours that may be trying to reverse Alzheimer's and dementia in a desperate manner. And that's who the scammers are. That's who they are.
What I'm going to reveal today will change everything you believe about memory loss, dementia, and Alzheimer's. Only in this video, I will prove that it's possible to reverse memory loss permanently and in record time without taking harsh drugs like Aricept or Namenda, without going through expensive cognitive therapies for years, and 100% without side effects. In this video, I'm going to reveal a discovery our foundation kept secret for months, a natural solution that has been reversing Alzheimer's in secret pilot programs around the world.
So they keep going with Bill Gates and a bunch of sob stories and information about his family. And basically, they try to pitch you on continuing to watch the video for a honey recipe, but it ends up being MemoPryl. If you're looking for MemoPryl supplements reviews, MemoPryl for dementia, Alzheimer's, memory loss, MemoPryl Bill Gates. Hopefully I've helped you out. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't buy this. Call your credit card company if you did fall for this and report fraud. Thank you for watching.